Okay, this is a tour of cabin 6271 on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. So when you walk into the room, we've been on this cruise for 4 days now. So it's our final at sea day, and we can see that it's a balcony, extended balcony cabin. When you walk in on the right hand side, you'll see you have closets with plenty of hanging. We got actually we only used one really to hang our clothes. They're pretty deep. We got our backpacks and stuff in the bottom of them, and then of course you got the life jackets and safe in the third one here. On the left side as you walk in, right side as you're looking out, you'll see the bathroom. Standard balcony bathroom here on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. You can see it's got the sink and the mirror. You'll see the bathroom here with the shower. I mean, it's a nice size shower. Honestly, water pressure's not that good in this cabin, but our friends say they got really good water pressure. So probably just going to depend on your cabin, but very nice bathroom, good size. Everything you need, lots of storage shelves. Underneath the sink is the waste paper basket, and you got extra toilet paper over there and everything. So very nice. Then when you come into the room itself, you got the nice flip-flops on the top of the mirror. You can see the desk here. It's got actually plenty of room. We have our charging stations for our phones, and we got a large laptop on the desk. You also see, of course, the button on the mirror there. That's to turn the lights off and on for the ladies doing their makeup. My wife likes that, of course. Then you come over on the left-hand side. You have a nice couch, and my wife's sitting on it. Then you have our bed, and you can also get a towel elephant sometimes. The TV is actually very nice size. A lot of channels on the TV, of course, for Margaritaville at Sea. Actually 30 channels, which is amazing for most cruise lines. We have our ice bucket here. We have our attendant giving us ice every day. Very nice. Down underneath here, we do have a refrigerator. And our refrigerator, I don't know if all of them are like this, but this one is very cold. Very cold. We had some stuff in there that almost froze the other day. So, very nice. On the side of the bed, both sides, there's the little table stand. And of course, on the lamps, you've probably seen this, there are USB A cords to plug into. So if you only have USB-Cs, you're going to have to bring the A to C adapter for your... but both sides of the bed have a USB, so that's nice for charging your phones at night. To get out, you got to make sure you unlock the door. Come out. This is the extended balcony, so you can see it's rather large. You can see that the extra, probably about 18 inches, 2 feet there, that this has over most. You can see the fogging up. We actually have a lot of rain out today. You can actually, if you look over there, there's a Carnival ship, but it's being covered by the rain now. So this is a really nice extended balcony. The balcony is very large, and the cabin itself, as we go back into the foggy cabin now, it's very nice, but very nice to a comfortable cabin. So just another room tour of cabin 6271 on the Margaritaville Islander.